Yeah, we didn't think that through. Let's change the script a bit then. This paperclip really looks like a bag to me because of its shape. We will just carefully remove these pieces. And then add some pretty fabric. Nobody will ever guess it's an ordinary paperclip. Now we'll fix it on the sides and voila! A stylish purse is ready. We can proceed.
Now listen, I'll grab your purse and run and manicure.
And what is wrong with my manicure?
Not yours. Look at Barbie's nails. I cannot work like that. I am working like crazy 24/7 and no one ever gives me credit for that. Enough. I am leaving. Oh, I'll rest a bit and then leave.
Barbie, sit here and let's hurry up to cheer Sammy. The best doll manicure master is ready to create. Let's remove the extra length. And give those nails some nice shape. Here is the favorite color of our slime director. It looks good on you.
Now we're talking. Everyone take your positions. Lights, camera, action. Ooh, you, stop right there. Give me your purse and your money. Self-defense lessons were not in the script.
Friends, today we'll make a lot of cool doll crafts. Stay tuned! Barbie's waiting for her morning newspaper.
Press! Fresh press! These shoes were a bad choice. Sorry, we don't do hand-to-hand delivery. I can help for a couple of bucks, though.
I have a better idea. It's time to make her rubber boots. We'll need a regular balloon and some hot glue. A lot of hot glue, actually. A short, stylish heel looks great even on rubber boots. Let's add some brightness to make it more fun, even at rainy days. And some shiny glitter, of course. What a brilliant idea. And this is how Barbie gets a new pair of rubber boots. Now it's time to test them in real-life conditions. Our Barbie is not afraid of puddles and dirt anymore. But the newspaper is totally ruined. How should she read the horoscope now?
Learn about your future here, my dear. The prediction will come true, I guarantee. Rub my belly and I'll tell you your fortune right away. I see you're not so much invested in that, huh? Ouch! Now we're talking. Let's do it. I see. You will soak in the rain. I said soak in the rain. See?
That forecast really came true. But don't worry. I can tell fortune too. I guarantee you a new umbrella, and it will be bright. We will add a sturdy handle, and even when it rains, Barbie will see rainbow. I guess it came out really good. Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
Not bad, not bad. Thanks to my fortune-telling talent.
Or thanks to your tricks with water sprinkler.
Don't go anywhere. I predict a lot of fun coming right up. Attention, dear summer lovers. Soon we'll start our swimming suit contest. The winner takes the grand prize. Come closer to the stage.
Poor Barbie. You forgot your bikini at home.
Well, I think we can fix that. Let's make a stylish and bright two-piece swimming suit out of a balloon.
Just a couple of neat cuts and the briefs are ready. It is very easy.
The second part of the balloon will come in handy too. Let me just trim it a bit. And the decor piece is ready. Now the bottom part matches the top. Great!
And the winner is Barbie! You have a very creative mind, girl. Come here and take your prize. What is that? A new dance style? Ooh, hut, hut. That's better.
I'll help you. I already know what to do. Check this out. Now we'll take a plastic straw, and in a couple of seconds, cool flip-flops are ready. Let's try them on. Perfect. Now go get your prize, girlfriend.
What a beauty. I mean the boat. Hey, you, with the camera, take my picture. Barbie, move. I forgot the sand is hot. Help me. and that's how you navigate. Now show me what you learned. Slow down. No.
The boat crashed. Hail Tibidaba, there was a pop tube on board. This bright pink really looks like a flamingo, doesn't it? It just needs a couple of details to look even better. Let's just glue everything together. And we've got such a cute floaty. Barbie, enjoy!
And slimes are naturally great swimmers, huh? It's a wave.
Oh my feta, Barbie, are you okay? Is this a desert island?
Not so desert. Check out that pile of garbage. Don't worry, I'll call the Coast Guard. What? Let's just wait until someone swims by.
But we can do that in comfort. Barbie, follow me.
We'll take a plastic straw.
And add a few more to it.
The hot glue will help to secure everything. It's good that the straws can do this. To make it stable, we'll add a couple of legs and armrests, and a lounge chair is ready. This way, Barbie will see the approaching boats and even out her tan.
I hear something. It's the Coast Guard. Ugh, there must be the reporters. What if they'll take pictures? So, how do I look?
Oh, Sam! Barbie is blinded by the sun because of your mirror. Let's make her a pair of sunglasses. All we need is a plastic cup and a marker. Now cut the shape and get the sunglasses. We even sparkled them up to make them look fancy. Barbie confirms it's the lifeguards. Hail Tibidaba, someone is going to save Barbie and Sam. Hey, we're here, right here. Help, save us, please.
Oh, hey, I'm here. Can you see me? Save me first.
After the lucky escape, our heroes threw a party. Sam was entertaining the guests.
What's the difference between a slime and a snail? If a slime puts on a shell, it will be sucked in. That crowd has no sense of humor, even a doll one. Here's another joke. Wait, what's going on? Hey, stop!
The guests are really bored. We need some cool music, and we better make it loud. A simple breakfast cereal box can be transformed into a DJ booth and 2 speakers. We just need to add some details. We'll take the bottom from a can. It will serve as a membrane for the speaker. A glow-in-the-dark ring goes right here. Next, we need a button. It already looks cool, right? But we're not done yet. A few colorful lights will make it bright. Barbie is a high-class DJ, but she can't find her earphones. Oh no, what shall we do?
I am the greatest magician of all times, Sam the Magnificent! Now this chair will turn into a carriage! Abracadabra! Something went wrong. Please don't be angry. I didn't mean it.
It looks like your magic doesn't work today, Sammy. Barbie can't turn the poppet back to the chair, but we can use it to make new earphones for her. First goes a bit of shiny glitter, and then some colorful hot glue. You'd better be careful with it. The ring from a plastic bottle will come in handy too. All right, DJ Barbie, now it's your time to shine. Finally, this party's getting its groove.